What is going on YouTube? It is kind of an exciting day for me. It's been about a week or so since I've actually gone thrifting, and my death pile it's like non-existent. Hurt my foot last week, couldn't do a whole lot, but today I've actually got the Pro Picker with me, and we're gonna hit up several thrift stores because I need to refill my death pile. I need some stuff to lift. We're gonna find some good stuff, and like I said, I got the expert with me, so we're gonna score. So right off the bat, this might be the creepiest thing I've ever seen, and they want $3 for it. But the weird thing is, it's actually a block of wood. Somebody handmade this. That's creepy. She's hard at work.
It's not old, but I think it's cool.
You know what? Sloan might actually want that.
No, she may not. I may wear it.
Oh, you're gonna wear it? Oh, I like the Aerosmith though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 2000s. I mean, for $1.50, we'll take that. Are you keeping this one? Def Leppard? I like it though. It's year 2000, made in USA. It's double stitch. Once again, t-shirts at our Goodwills are $1.50, so we're getting that. It's pretty cool. So there's no year on the Aerosmith shirt, so we're gonna Google Lens it, see what it comes up with. And it says Scorpions Rocket. I don't think that's right. So not showing up on Google Lens, but we're gonna get it anyway. It's only gonna be $1.50.
All right, this is a 2002 SpongeBob.
That's just cool. I mean, that's a no-brainer. $1.50. I mean, that's somebody's gonna buy that.
We've got one of the
Screen Stars
best US, made in USA. Kind of a
nautical theme. What does it
Yeah.
say? Fort Lauderdale. We might buy that. We'll get it for $1.50.
Okay, so I've got.
Okay, so this is always a buy. Vintage mossy oak. If you ever see that tree logo, and you can see it on the actual camouflage too, that means it's pretty darn old, made in USA.
And it's good condition.
Really good condition. Looks brand new.
It says large, but it looks bigger.
$1.50. Grab that.
And this one, I'm not sure. Police Department, City of New York.
USA, probably not. Okay, we're gonna pass on that one. Babe, you're so hot, you might need this. All right, so we only spent $9. Got 6 t-shirts. Obviously not big money makers, but I mean, it's bread and butter stuff. I'm figuring $15 a piece maybe on those, so 15 times 9 is, I don't know, 15 times 6, I just said it. So that's $90 on $9 spent. All right, so we actually need to kind of keep track of this today, so maybe you should get like a pen and piece of paper. You think you can do that? I got a better idea.
What?
My buddy sent me something. Let me grab it. All right, so you haven't seen this yet, but Wyatt, you remember Wyatt, Rewilder Reselling? We had dinner with him. Sent me this new invention of his called the reseller scorecard. It's a way to get organized. I think he's trying to drop me a hint that I need to be better organized, but it's actually really cool and functional. So we need to fill this out. We got a location. I think this is Highland, and
I feel like I'm taking your order.
you can do that too.
6 items.
No, 6 items. Total cost $9. Average cost per item $1.50. And then projected sales total, what did I say? Can't remember. 90 bucks.
Said $90.
So yeah, what's today's date?
I don't know. The 2nd.
2nd.
What year is it?
Man, that's actually pretty easy. Pretty cool. And at the end of the day, we can kind of total everything up, and yeah, I like it. So last couple times we've been to the Oliver Gospel Thrift Store, I've actually done pretty well. I used to not. They used to have really high prices, but things have been looking up, and I feel like I can find a bunch of stuff if the price is right. All right, so here is a whole bunch of Cliff Notes. Be honest, drop a comment down below. Did you ever use these when you were in school? Look, there's Sparks Notes too. Kind of the same thing. Leave me a comment. Let me know, did you guys use these, or was it cheating? I don't normally pick up Vineyard Vines stuff. It seems to be pretty saturated, but these wide stripe polo shirts tend to do pretty well for me. And the shirts here are only That's cool. All right, now we gotta have it. I've never seen a Master's clothes hanger before. Hopefully they'll sell me the hanger with the shirt. It's only $3, so gotta grab it. I just made the comment that their prices seem to have gotten a little better, but maybe not. 50 bucks for these Dr. Comfort shoes. I don't know how much they go for, but I don't think they'd be worth 50 bucks to resell. All right, so I think I figured out where the hanger came from. There's 2 Master shirts, and I'm only gonna get one of them. These Slozenger thick shirts don't really sell real well for me, but these 2-ply mercerized cottons actually sell pretty well, and it's in really good condition. Like I said, $3. We're gonna grab that one. I have a weird question for you. That hanger right there, I've never seen a Master's hanger. And I collect Master stuff. Sure. Can I buy it from you?
No, you can have it.
Appreciate it. I just thought it's cool. I want a shirt too.
I got more hangers than I know what to do with.
Got the 2 shirts. Got this Southern, what is it called? Vineyard Vines rugby shirt. Paid $3 for it, and then the Master shirt paid $4. No, it's the other way around. Long sleeve shirts are $4. Short sleeve shirts are $3. Paid $7 total. Average cost per item is $3.50, and projected sales total. Master shirt should sell for around $20, then $24 on the rugby shirt, so that's $44. But I did find a sold comp on the Master's hanger of $12, so let's add that to it. So 56 bucks on the projected sales total. They actually gave me that for free, so that's pretty cool. Keeping track, doing decent so far. So these are really good if they're in decent condition, and I think they will clean up. I don't see any holes, no cracks. It's Mizuno Wave Prophecy 3. They're only going to be $6.50, so we'll give them a try. That's pretty cool. $4 for it. It's missing the cord. That's just a generic 9-volt cord. I should have one laying around. Let's check out comps. $49.99 for shipping, $59.99, $26 plus shipping. That one doesn't have a cord. $25. Be worth a shot for $4. I don't have any drumsticks, but this thing works. Don't tell my wife I used her butter knives as drumsticks. So I found this bag. I only want $2.95 for it. So Wilson should be tennis rackets. Feels like there's more than one in here though. Yeah, there's 2. I have to look them up. Alright, so here's the Wilson tennis racket. Got a different case, but this one sold for $39 plus shipping. So we'll grab that for $3. Alright, Kayla claims that she has found 2 really cool things.
I'm almost afraid to show you. It's so cool.
Alright, let me see what you got.
Okay. So
I see possums.
there's possums. It says Hanging Out, South Carolina Wildlife Magazine.
Made in USA. I mean, that's my size, so if we don't sell...
But
oh,
look.
got them on the back too. Yeah, I mean, $4.75 for sweatshirts. I mean, I might just keep that for me because I think it's pretty cool. You're right.
Okay.
Just be hanging out in my
Now
sweatshirt.
this,
Okay.
I found on the ground underneath something. I was being nice to pick it up and hang it up.
Yeah.
And then I started looking at it.
Wow.
And I was like, well, that's really old.
Atlanta Falcons 1992 inaugural season.
Check this tag out.
Oh wow, trench, yeah.
So
That's cool.
It was on the floor and I was picking it up.
And even if it's on the floor, I mean, I don't see any stains. Some
It's
little
just
lint
dirty.
right there, yeah. Hey, I'm proud of you. Good job.
Thanks.
And still going. Hey babe, how about this one?
I think you need it.
It matches what I got on today. It's only gonna be $1.50. Might grab it. It does have a spot on it right there. I think that'll come out though. Pretty cool. So we got a pretty good amount of stuff here. I don't know how profitable it's gonna be, but spent $24.50. Got the drum kit. That should sell for around $40. Got 2 tennis rackets for $3, so that's gonna be $30 and $20. So that's $90. The ladies' shoes here, they're ASIC Wave Prophecy 3. There's some comps that are really high, but I'm thinking around $30. So that's $120. Got the Atlanta Falcons sweatshirt. Cool find by Kayla. I have no idea what that'll go for. 25, 30 maybe? Let's call it 20, just to be safe. So what's that, 140? The possum sweatshirt. I mean, I don't, maybe $20 on that if I don't keep it. If I don't keep it. So that's 140.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
Okay, it's just inside out. We're good. And then the Wendy's t-shirt, that'll probably bring in 15 bucks, so that's 155 on all that. Spent 24, 25, so 155. I think that's pretty good. We'll note that down. And then average cost per item, we'll have to do some calculating on that one, but either way, 24.50 and 155, pretty good. What do you call a fish with two knees? A toonie fish. Mask, boots, Gore-Tex. Clean. Yep. Some Keen sandals. They're dirty, but they're in good condition and they'll clean up. I think sandals here are only $3.50, so pretty good. So I don't think this one's gonna sell for very much, maybe 25 bucks, and probably be a slow seller, but for some reason I can't turn down jerseys, and it's in really good condition. I'm gonna pay $4.75 for it. So we only got 3 things at this one, spent $13.75, and got a pair of Vask. If you don't know, Vask is a pretty good brand to be on the lookout for. I don't think they sell like they used to, and I couldn't find exact comps on this pair, but I found the low top version of these. It sold for $60, so I think they're gonna do pretty good. Only pay $8.50 for them. And then Keen sandals, always a good buy, really good condition. They're just dirty. Ended up paying, I think, they were $3.75, so that was pretty good. Comps on those look like they're gonna be around 30. And then the Donovan McNabb jersey should sell for around 25. Paid $4.75 for it. So let's say 60, 30, 25, 90. That's 115 on $13.75 spent. Not too bad. So after 4 stops, we're filling up our cart and doing pretty good, I think. All right, we got the Sunshine Thrift Store. What you gonna find here? Call it before you go. Let's hear it.
I don't know, maybe a shirt.
A shirt? Just one shirt?
I don't have too high of hopes for the Sunshine.
All right, well, all clothing is half price, so that's a bonus. I guess that pile never goes down.
Take the Lego.
Huh?
Take the Lego.
Oh yeah, box of Legos in there. This is all stuff that just sits up here, and I've never seen them put anything out. So I don't
climb in and get it for you.
I don't think you're supposed to. It says keep out. There's like 8 million keep out signs. She said she was going to find a shirt. She's got 2 shirts. What you got?
Well, I don't know about that.
What is it? Sally Klein. Extra large, made in the USA. It's a Basset Hound. I don't know. Telestrong. I don't know. But it's only going to be half price or whatever. So it'd be like $1.50. Alright, let me show y'all how good Kayla is, and she don't even know it. Alright, it says down here, Sally Klein by Telestrand. Don't really know. Vintage, made in the USA. There's no exact comps, but 60 bucks on that one, 27 on that one. There's none listed. I think we're gonna get it. You called it, a shirt. Alright, so you called it, 1 shirt. How about do better at the next store? Like maybe a set of pink copper irons or something cool like that.
Okay.
Instead of 1 shirt with a dog on it. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Right, last time you said we were gonna find a shirt. We did.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna find this time?
We are gonna find a carload. We're gonna need to go get a trailer, and we're gonna find a shirt.
You're really optimistic. I like it. So back home, hanging out, and unfortunately we didn't fill up the car. We didn't need a trailer, and we didn't even find a shirt at that Salvation Army. As a matter of fact, the next 3 stops, we didn't find anything there either, which is kind of depressing. But when I pull up the reseller scorecard, I see that I spent about $55 and got over $400 in potential sales. That's pretty good for like half a day. Not only that, I got to spend time with my wife doing our favorite thing, which is to go thrifting. So overall, I'm gonna call the day a success. If you guys want one of Wyatt's reseller scorecards, I'll link his website down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.